What's up, Class FitSugar? My name is Katie Austin. I am a fitness personality and creator of the Katie Austin app. I am so excited that y'all decided to join me for a 10-minute sculpted workout. All you need is yourself. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, I wanna make sure you're just a little bit warmed up before we begin this workout. So if you guys could just meet me in a nice jog in place, using those arms just a little bit as well, get nice and loose, inhale, and exhale. Great, one more big deep breath up. Get that blood flowing through your body. Awesome work, you guys. Now, what I want you guys to do is just bring each knee towards your chest and keep switching pretty fast. This is gonna be a very fast workout, so a fast warm up as well. If you guys need to press pause and stretch a little bit more before we begin the intervals, go for it. Now let's take it back, stretch out those quads. Keep breathing in and exhale. Great work, you guys. A few butt kicks. Pump your arms again. Get them nice and ready. Nice work. And now for the last move, a part of this warm up, straight leg toe taps right here. Feel that stretch while also warming up your core as well. Breathe in, exhale, great. Exhale every toe tap. Keep that good posture. For 3, for 2, for 1. Awesome work. Shake it off just one more time right here. Release that shoulder tension. And now let's get ready to do these intervals. It's going to be 35 seconds on with a 15-second break. Y'all can do anything for 35 seconds. So now let's hit that timer. We are starting with a shuffle, shuffle, tap. In 2 and in 1. Here we go. Shuffle, shuffle, tap. Get low and stay low. Breathe in and exhale. Here we go. Feeling this in our thighs, in our booty. Again, this workout is going to be fast and effective. You're gonna love it. Here we go. We only have 10 more seconds. Stay with me. For 5. Get even lower. 2. And 1. Nice work, you guys. We have a side lunge to kick. We're staying on one side for the full 35 seconds and then switching. So catch your breath right here. These 15 seconds really matter to catch your breath. We're starting in 3, 2, and 1. Side lunge, kick it up. Wonderful. Sit back with that side lunge. Push off your heel. Kick it out. Put power behind those kicks. Nice work. Doesn't matter how high you're kicking, how low. Engage your core. Get your arms into it as well. Sit back with the side lunge. We only have a few more. For 3, last 1, 2, and 1. Relax, shake it off a little bit. We're switching sides here. Same thing, side lunge to kick. Inhale and exhale. In 5, and ready, set, go. Side lunge, kick. Breathe in and exhale. Nice work. Lifting and sculpting that back glute right here as we push off our heel. Getting a nice cardio burst in as we kick. Low impact cardio. 10 seconds. Almost there. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, relax. We have skaters next. Get ready. It goes fast, but all you guys have to do is follow along. So skaters in 7 seconds. Here we go. Breathe in and exhale. Let's get started in 2 and 1. Here we go. Try your best to get down there. Tap that toe. You guys can. Nice work. Keep that chest tall and strong, okay? Get all the way down there. Beautiful. $15. Stay with me. 10. Almost there. Beautiful. Last one. And relax. As you breathe in and you relax, Leave these hands right here diagonal. We have some standing cardio crunches. So opposite knee to elbow just like that, picking it up with a bounce in between. In 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Exhale every time you drive that knee towards the opposite elbow. I love this move. Cardio abs, you got it. Nice work. Woo! Here we go for 10 more seconds. 5, almost there. 2 more, relax. Now, as you guys relax, we're in a nice narrow squat position. Narrow squat to toe taps. So narrow, toe tap just like this, okay? Starting in 5. Here we go, last big deep breath in. Exhale, begin. Toe tap, wonderful. Right there. Breathe in. Exhale, get even lower if you guys can with that narrow squat. Beautiful. Nice work. Inhale, exhale. Working those nice outer thighs. Lean, long legs right here. Core tight. Here we go. Last one. Relax. Breathe in. And as you exhale, step to the head of your mat. What we have next, reverse lunge, little kick switch, reverse lunge. Are you ready? Add a little jump at the top of that lunge. In 2, 1, reverse, jump, hop, switch. Just like that. Nice work. Adding that little bounce at the top for that great cardio burst. Working those glutes, those thighs. Use your arms as well to power through. We're almost there. 10 seconds. Beautiful. For 3, 2, and 1. All right, we got some kicks next, okay? So front kick, alternate leg, back kick, okay? Front kick, switch legs, back kick, staying on the same, and then we'll switch. In 3, 2, stay with me. 1, front kick, switch, back kick, great. Use those arms. Great. Using your lower abs as you bring that leg up to kick. Those are your lower abs working to kick that leg with power. And now I'm actually putting a lot of pressure in my fists as well. So I'm working my upper body and my core just a little bit more as I kick it up. 3, great, 2, and 1. Relax, shake it up. Same thing on the other side. How we doing? Clap it out for you guys. Let's power through this workout. In 6, same thing on the other side, just switch legs, all right? 3, 2, and 1. Kick, back, front kick. Like I always say, it doesn't matter how high you're kicking, how low, okay? This move right here can be any age level, any fitness level. Just make sure you're challenging yourself. Beautiful, 15. Again, pressure with those hands right here. Engage that core. Great. 5. Almost there. Last 2 kicks. Relax. Breathe in. As you exhale, place these hands out to either side, stretch out your chest. First, as you relax, I want you guys to do some nice bear hugs because this is a part of the next move. Dancer jacks in 3, in 2, and 1. Dancer jacks, here we go. Squeeze those back muscles as you release those hands to each side, okay? Your abs are in tight. It's like a scissor cross in front with your hands. And then tightening up your back, making sure you're still doing that jumping jack in your lower half. Nice work. Here we go, 10 seconds. 4, 3, we are on the ground in 1. get on the floor. We got some plank jacks. Get a nice high plank position. Breathe in. As you exhale, high plank right here. Abs are in tight. Plank jacks in 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Booty's not too high, not too low. Abs are nice and tight. My shoulders are right in line with my hands. Here we go, you guys. Keep it up. We are almost there. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. We have some bear crawls next. Hopefully you guys are crushing this workout. You're loving it so far. You ready for some bear crawls? In 5. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. I am bear crawling up the mat with my abs in tight, my core tight, arms strong, booty not too high, back is flat, up and down, slow and steady. Beautiful. Nice work. Last bear crawl, down the mat. We got 2 and 1. Relax. As you guys relax, come lay right on your tummy. We have Superman's next. So this is the last move. Push it, you guys. Lay right on your tummy right here. I want your hands spread out in front of you just like that. I want you guys to come up, your limbs all the way up off the mat, just a few inches, and lower. Let's get started. Squeeze your booty at the same time. As you bring your hands up, I want those back muscles, your shoulder blades, squeeze them together. Remember to breathe. This might not look too hard, but if you're doing it with me, you know it's tough. And guess what? It's the last move, so push it, you guys. Nice work. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. As you relax, stand up. Roll out those shoulders. Give me a nice big deep breath in. As you exhale, step touch just to cool it down just a little bit right here. Breathe in. As you exhale, kick out that booty just a little bit. Lower your heart rate. Catch your breath. Now add those arms across as you kick that booty. Beautiful. Make sure to stretch after this workout as well. Or you guys can repeat this workout 2 to 3 times for an incredible HIIT workout of the day. This was amazing cardio. I hope you guys absolutely loved it. Last one, and relax. All right, y'all, you crushed that 10-minute HIIT workout. Thank you so much for joining me in this Class FitSugar workout. Once again, my name is Katie Austin, and make sure to download the Katie Austin app for tons more on-demand workouts. I'll see you guys soon.